Do you need some good news on a Friday? I got you some good news on a Friday. How about this? Markets just opened up at the top. Dow starts the day off 700 points up because everything looks like there's a ceasefire between Israel and Lebanon that's going to calm things down in the Middle East. Looks like that ceasefire between the United States and Iran, that too may calm things in the Middle East. These are all good news. All week has been kind of a flat week. You remember like earlier in the month, end of last month, the markets were doing this every single day, like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's been pretty flat this week, been very controlled this week, and then today's a big move down. Okay, I think the markets are telling us that the people and higher up are thinking that maybe this is starting to come to an end. Maybe things are starting to kind of quiet down. That's great news for a lot of things. Obviously, it's great news for our service members. It's great news for the economy. It's great news for the people in the Middle East, the people here. Peace, baby. We love it. All right. At the end of the day, that's the most important thing. We need some chill. All right. Now, what does it mean for real estate? Glad you asked. I'm a realtor. I'm going to tell you about it. This may salvage a little bit of a reprieve, a little bit of a saving grace for this spring market. Spring market was going along okay. Then it hit a speed bump. Now, it wasn't one of those like little teeny speed bumps. You know that big giant speed bump out in front of like the old Kroger that closed down, a couple years ago, and now it's like some kind of, I don't know, some other kind of shop or whatever. And you'd hit that thing too fast. And your whole car would rattle. You know those ones? Yeah, we hit that. But hopefully things are improving. Okay. Hopefully by the time we get towards the end of the month, being part of next month, rates come down a little bit closer to 6. I don't know if we get like below 6 anytime soon because there is some damage done to the economy because of everything. But we're dropping. Today's going to be a big drop in mortgage rates. We're holding like 6.3-ish right now. Expect for a drop at least below 6.25. I'm hoping below 6.2, but we'll see what happens, okay? Again, I'm not a mortgage guy. I'm a realtor. I'm watching the market. You know what this means? This is good news, okay? If you're looking to do something, looking for lower rates, looking for a calmer environment, all signs point to that. Could it be completely different tomorrow? Yes. Okay, we've learned that, all right? But for right now, it's Friday. Man, we're going to need some good news going into the weekend. Booyah! You're welcome.